Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you the sixth float of the 64 method. So what it does, it will store that a float of 64 bit, and the double the amount of 32. So as a specified offset from the start of the data view. So as you know earlier, if you didn't watch the 32 one, so what we're gonna do is just go and show you. If you don't watch the 32 set float bit, you need to watch that. So just search it on Google. I mean search it on the YouTube, or you can go my channel. You will understand what I'm talking about. So still, those who don't want to go, well, I'm gonna tell you that in the first you need the array buffer constructor and pass 16 bits, and after that what we're gonna do is use the set float 32 and in the up position, and after that we need to get that. So it's gonna show you up to 32, so it's 32 bits. If you want to like 64 bits, what we need to do is just pass, instead of 32 you need to pass 64. So look at this, I didn't save right now. It's the 32 bit is up to here, and if I do the first set, it's gonna give you up to here. So this is what it does. So also about that, I didn't get the 64. So 64. So I will do it again. So, and it's not up to 32, it's up to 93. This is what it does. It's now contain the 64 bit integer instead, float instead of 32. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.